So I dropped in the new injector through this side. You gotta go slow and finesse it in because it's very tight. My issue was both of these, the metal had gotten so soft that they had stripped when I tried to get them out. And if you can, get on top of the motor and push down when you do it to help with your leverage. So I had to go in, drill them out a little bit, and use screw extractors. Crap, junk. The Ryobi worked great. It still took some time to break them loose, but they finally came out. It's a tap bar hooked to it so I could get even leverage, and I got up on top of the motor to do it. Used my pick, which is not here, to get the lower O-ring. That was still that O-ring right there, which stayed down in the housing. So I just plucked it out. On mine, it was in there and very hard to get out. I broke the top trying to pry it out. I had soaked in PV in blaster and gave it a day or two, did it a couple more times, and then started twisting and twisting. You don't have much room to twist, but the little room you have, you can slowly work it and work it. Then I had to use the grips to get on top of the car and twist and pull up. I had cleaned all around it previously to that so that nothing would fall down in there and cause me problems later. The old style will just have a top and a bottom O-ring. If you have a newer style, it comes with, let's see here. It'll come with this kit. So if you order one and you want the old style, it'll just come with the two O-rings on it already. If you are looking it up at an auto parts store, this will come up as well, making you wonder if there's more O-rings than you thought should be in there. But there isn't, unless you're going with the newer style, and then you would use this kit to replace your O-rings. Just been working on the vitamin Z. This thing's been sitting for quite some time, but we're gonna get this puppy back on the road. And unfortunately it's an automatic, but I have another manual transmission that I will definitely be swapping it out with. All right. You guys have a good one. If you have any questions, let me know. And every part of this was tedious and took time and patience. But what's new?